Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat and I'm a flight attendant with a major US airline. So you guys, I got back last night from a 4-day. It was quite the day. Dallas was having lots of weather, ground stops, the whole nine. But once again, I'm back up at the airport for day 5. Thank you so much, crew scheduling. They gave me 9:20 airport standby. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm only available for 2 days because I just did a 4-day, and FAA policy is you cannot fly 7 days in a row without a 24-hour break. So I'm off after that. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure they're gonna give me a 2-day, but you never know. Maybe I'll get a turn. I think it's gonna be a 2-day. But let's go ahead. Let's get our stuff out, get ready, get into the airport, sign in, get through security. Y'all know the drill.
Was missing in this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough to be dismissive.
Hello everybody, can you guys guess where we are? So basically I only sat standby for 40 minutes before they grabbed me. So I was not there very long to even talk to you guys. There were 6 pages of open trips when I got there, so I knew, honestly I was just surprised I got 40 minutes there because I had long enough to post a YouTube video for y'all. And that was it. So basically they assigned me a 2-day trip. We went Dallas to Baltimore today. So welcome to Baltimore. And then tomorrow we're gonna work Baltimore to Charlotte. And then we are going to deadhead from Charlotte back to Dallas. We're supposed to get back to Dallas, I think by like 9:30 in the morning, which means we have a 3:45 a.m. pickup time, which actually Texas time is 2:45. in the morning pickup time. So we're gonna have to wake up at 2:45, which is actually Texas time 1:45 in the morning. Oh, that deadhead sleep's gonna be hitting real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff up. I haven't eaten anything at all today, and right now it looks like it's 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna get on DoorDash. Doesn't look like there's anything around this area, so I have to DoorDash. So I'm gonna get on there, try to get some food together, and enjoy this very short layover.
Heading to Vegas in my blue striped car. She's riding shotgun and she looks like a star.
So I just ordered food that is on its way, but our flight for tomorrow canceled. So our Baltimore to Charlotte is now canceled, and we were just going to be deadheading Charlotte to Dallas, whereas 2 of the other crewmates are actually Charlotte based, so they were going to go on to do a different turn and stuff. So now I had to call with the lead flight attendant. She's going to call crew scheduling or crew tracking, I'm not sure which one, figure out what's going on, and then let us know in a text message. So right now I have no idea what we're going to do tomorrow. So maybe we won't have to get up so early. I was not looking forward to that, so maybe we'll get to sleep in just a little bit, but yeah, okay, great. Just another day in the airline business as a palm tree. So for lunch and dinner, I just ordered them together. I got some nachos, and then I got a salad, and they did not come to play. Look how much chicken is on this salad. You can't even see lettuce under there. And these trays are so heavy. They're hefty. So I might actually eat just one of these today and leave the other for tomorrow, because I feel like one of these is gonna be 2 meals for me. So I'll probably eat this, leave the other for tomorrow. I'm still waiting to hear back. I called our lead flight attendant, talked with her. She's gonna do a group message with all the flight attendants, kind of figure out what's going on after she talks to scheduling or tracking, and let me know. So right now we're still waiting, but while we're waiting, I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube and eat. Sorry if I have food in my teeth. I just stuffed my face, which I think that one is plenty for me for today. So I think the other one I'll just save for tomorrow. But Sam just came and knocked on my door. She's the lead flight attendant, and she said she got off the phone. It looks like we are gonna be working the later flight from Baltimore to Charlotte. So the 8 o'clock, it's 8 something o'clock flight from Baltimore to Charlotte, and then we're gonna deadhead after that from Charlotte to Dallas. So I'm not exactly sure what time we're gonna get into Dallas anymore, but this means that we have a 6:45 shuttle time, which means it's only a 5:45 wake up, which again, that's Texas time, 4:45. So I don't know why I'm still excited about this, but I guess it's still better. It's still better. So you know what? I'll take it. I'll take the extra couple hours of sleep. So I gotta get a pen, write it down and whatever, but basically just chilling in bed watching some YouTube. So a little update for you guys. I've just been watching some YouTube and doing work by side, but I took my makeup off and I started blacking out the room. So I personally like to do this if I have to get an early night's rest. So then it kind of tells my brain that it's time to go to bed, because if it stays bright outside, I will not sleep. I will not go to bed. So I'm trying to slowly start darkening the room. So hopefully in like the next hour or two, I'll go to sleep. Right now, sadly, it's only 5:30, but I feel like if I do this well, I should go to sleep soon, especially because we had another early wake up today. So I'm slowly doing that. I did want to go ahead and let you guys know, so I'll probably cut it off here and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. So right now it's 5:50. I've started already getting ready, getting my stuff together to go. So we are gonna be working obviously 2 flights today, a little bit later, which I'm very grateful for because I did not sleep well. And I feel like every hour I was just like waking up like, oh my God, am I late? Am I late? It like happens every time I have one of these early ones. So I did not sleep well. So I'm ready to either like sleep on that deadhead or whenever I get home. So the coffee, I already checked. The coffee in the room is Pike Place by Starbucks. So I'm not even gonna bother with it at this point. I just know it tastes like trash. Hopefully be able to get coffee at the BWI Airport. Woo, I can't talk. If not, I have a Verb Energy bar, but we'll make one of those work. So, all right, let's get ready.
It can get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio.
Okay, so I'm all dressed and ready. I have my stuff all put together. I checked the salad that I put in the fridge last night. I had a little bit late last night, but when I looked again, it's pretty wilted. I don't think it really stayed overnight, so there goes that, but that's okay. I think by the time we get home is normally when I eat in the day anyways, so I'll just make HelloFresh or something when I get home. So all my stuff is good. Now let's go downstairs, meet up with the crew, and get to the airport to get today over with. This is day 6 of 6 for me. So your girl's tired. I'm ready for my 3 days off. Look what I just came home to. Oh, yummy. Hi, babies. Hi, I missed you guys. Hi, I missed you. Hi, Momo. I missed you. Hi, baby. Sorry for the vent in the background if you guys can hear it. Today felt long. I think it's just because we started so early. Like everything was smooth, it just felt long. So I'm finally home. Chip is making burgers. I'm gonna change. I now have some videos to edit for you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Press that subscribe button. I feel like I deserve it after 6 days of working straight. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.